Suede
so
and
real
nubuck
quick,
repair
we
by
got some
Footprints.
damage on these Oreo 6s, and we're gonna be using some nubuck renewal powder and sealer. Apply a light coat of sealer, and then you're all done. Okay, right here we're gonna be doing a minor reglue on some Oreo 6s. It's just demonstrating the reglue kit for you here. We got a bottle.
Detail bottle, it can fit inside the crevice here.
We simply just apply, no heat required. You can see we got that glue back. Okay, so now we're gonna do the speckles on the front. I got my cap off my, this is a lot more natural than the toothbrush. See the speckles, not bad.